What's up mga ka-SGPinoy? Another episode of unboxing. Today, I will unbox one of the nicest dunk low that is released this year. It's a Nike Dunk Low Fossil Rose colorway. If you are not subscribed at my channel, please press the subscribe button mga ka-SGPinoy at paki-like na rin ang ating mga videos. Welcome back mga ka-SGPinoy. Today's episode of unboxing, we will unbox one of the nicest dunk low that is released this year. It's Fossil Rose colorway. Welcome back mga ka-SGPinoy. What's up? Today's unboxing is a delivery from Nike Singapore, Nike Sneakers Singapore, Nike Dunk Low Fossil Rose. Okay, so this shoes was released April 15, 2022. It's a simultaneous release to the US, UK, and here in Asia. So here it is. So as I said, the date of release is April 15, 2022. The price here in Singapore is 189 Singapore dollar. So convert into peso, I will write here. Okay. So the resale value for this one, the resale value is around 240 to 250 Singapore dollars. Okay. Not too high compared to other compare mo sa ibang mga dunk. Yung ibang dunk medyo mataas yung resale value nila, but this one kahit na maganda yung quality ng shoes, pero hindi masyadong mataas yung resale value niya. So it's time for you to grab one. Wow, this is one of the nicest colorway so far I ever seen from Nike Dunk. May katulad siyang release last year, yung medium carry. Look at the photo below. Kaya parang follow up nila ito sa blockbuster release nila last year. Okay. So the three main color, so the toe box and the side panel is Phantom. Or what we say, very light gray yung colorway niya. Okay, and then yung toe guard, yung back panel at yung inner lining niya, very light blue, or tawag nila is aura colorway. The darkest color for these shoes is the shoes laces, and then the outsole, which is they call the Fossil Rose, or parang color pink or dark pink ang color niya. So, what do you think of the colorway? Susuot mo ba? Ako, definitely yes. Quality, it's a suede leather all around the shoes. Very thick and very soft. Malambot siya na makapal yung suede compared to other release na medyo manipis yung suede nila. Ito, napakakapal. Tapos, in spite na makapal siya, malambot yung feel ng so definitely high quality suede. Yeah, that's why it's one of the best quality dunk that I see so far. Okay, so let's enjoy the shoes. Let's try it. Okay, so mga ka-SGPinoy, what do you think of this dunk? Comment your thought down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking mga video. Thank you very much for watching mga ka-SGPinoy. And see you again on our next unboxing. Goodbye!